In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to use the Assignments tool in Laulima. Now, be advised that Laulima actually has two tools that start with the word assignment. One is simply Assignments, which is the one we're covering today, and another one is called Assignments, Tests, and Surveys. Some instructors, like me, have changed the name of this tool. I changed it to Quizzes over here. But just realize that your instructor may not do that, and you're going to need to distinguish between the Assignments tool and Assignments, Tests, and Surveys. Once you've clicked on the Assignments link, you'll see all of the assignments that your instructor has made available to you so far. In this case, you'll see 5 assignments, and the paperclip means there are additional attachments for students to download. Let's take a look at the only one that's currently open, the legislative assignment. Your instructor will list the date that it's due, and then provide all the instructions that you will need for the assignment. In my case, I've also added 4 attachments for students to download. When you've completed your assignment and you need to upload it, you have the option of either selecting files from your workplace or site, or more commonly, by clicking on the Choose File link, which will open up the link on your computer for you to upload a document that you prepared in Word or any other word processor. Then you would need to click the Honor Pledge if your instructor has selected that, and click Submit. And because I haven't uploaded anything, it's not going to let me submit because Laulima is smart that way. Let's just take one file and upload it. And now you can see that the Submit button is available for me to click on. And that's all you need to do to submit something in the Assignments tool.